Hi, let me show you how to turn on Siri on iPhone. And for that, first thing you're gonna need is open settings. And then just start scrolling down till you can see this Siri section. After that, to turn on Siri, we need to go in Talk to Siri. If you wanna press side button for Siri, then enable this option. And you will see suggestion to turn on Siri. So click here, and then we can also enable to activate it with the help of voice. And for that, you need to pick one of those two options. I'm gonna pick this one. And now we need to set it up. So we need to help Siri recognize our voice. And for that, we need to say aloud everything what we will see on the display right now. So let's try this out. Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. And now Siri is all set, so tap down and it is activated. After that, you can of course customize it. For example, you can choose its voice as well as language. So
the colors of the sky fade with the setting sun as the stars begin to shine.
As you can see, we got here male voices as well as female.
The colors of the colors of the sky.
So you can check any option from the list. Then go in Siri responses, set that one up as well. Also, you can set call hang up if you want to hang up your calls with the help of Siri. And just enable or disable some of the features. And now let's try this out. Let's try to ask Siri what's the weather tomorrow. Hey Siri, what's the weather tomorrow? And yep, I got the result. Also, you can enable Siri responses silent, like I did, or spoken. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.